Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming power and physical condition so you don't chase the wrong problem. Plug the case into a known good lightning cable and charger and watch the LED for any flicker. If nothing shows, inspect the port closely and remove lint with a soft brush or a gentle burst of compressed air. Make sure the charging source actually outputs power by testing another device. Once done, swap to another cable and adapter to rule out accessory failure. Next, you perform resets and targeted diagnostics to separate software from hardware issues. With the case charged, put both AirPods in, open the lid, and hold the setup button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white. That forces a full reset. Make sure each bud sits flush, reseat them firmly, and close the lid for 10 to 15 seconds to re-establish connections. If you have a wireless charger, test multiple orientations and pads. If the LED remains dark after charging, resets, and accessory swaps, you likely face an internal power or LED circuit fault. At that point, document the behavior, save the case serial number, and contact Apple support or an authorized repair center for battery or board-level diagnostics and repair. Make sure you have proof of purchase and note warranty status so you can determine cost. One tip: ask the technician to test with a replacement case or board so you know whether replacement or repair is the better option.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.